Jack, say you don't want me, I know he a cap. Oh, you cheating, then I'm cheating back. If he's cheating, I'm doing him worse. No, Uno, I hit the reverse. I ain't tripping the grip in my purse.
Stick your hand up. Come here. Ah, fuck. You should get a GoPro. You'd be good with a GoPro on.
Actually, I do. 100%. Full thing. No, full things.
Ah, my hand slipped, man. My hands keep slipping. Get some dirt on your hands. Find some dirt, because I need to get some dirt on my hands. Amen! What's up? Which way is the cross? Up there?
Just on the right.
Yeah, alright. Yeah! Bro, there's gonna be so many cars behind us. Ah! I cannot do a one-hander. I'm gonna shit myself. Should I try no-hander? I might die, wait. Holy slippery!
No, but don't get it from No, go in it, bro.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Class in it? Fucking class. Shave on and all. It's basically a sale.
It's not a sword, it's a conversion.
Okay.
What's up? I don't mind, but like, we just have to be careful because there's gonna be guards patrolling there and I don't actually really want to give. Huh?
Gonna be there
Where?
at the shop.
What a fucking small bike down the stairs.
Did you crash?
Yeah. The last ride that I picked some old park ranger, right? Came with us, he almost clipped me, like he swerved into there. Oh, look at yeah, I'm getting ready, bro.
I'll get ready.
Bro, this guy's gonna start giving up.
Get ready, there's security. They might get... Where's Harvey?
So you got front motor on.
What?
Front motor on.
It's both, but like I took the e-brake out.
You switch to the back one.
What?
You switch to the back one.
I'm
And you do both at the same time.
Yeah. You can use both at the same time, but I have like, if you don't put the e-brake in, you can just hold it as hard as you can. How many watts is the conversion?
3,000. Goes up to like
How many volts?
72.
80? Or how much?
72.
No, like how fast does it go?
Like 90.
90, don't get gapped.
Hey, do you want to follow shops?
Do you want?
Super value in Ashtown.
Where's Super Value?
It's in Ashtown, man. I know the way.
Where is it? Well, how far about?
It's probably like 10 minutes, 5 minutes.
Alright. Is there guard patrolling up there?
No, it's also an underground car park, so we can chill there till the rain passes.
Alright.
Yeah, hold on.
I might slip off the... Wait, one hand... What?
You know who's controlling the park?
What?
You know who controls the park?
Yeah?
They look called police.
No, they're not, mate.
Do you not see them?
What?
They're like circling us around.
Yeah, so, no, they were going to another place with the deers.
Huh? They don't want to shop now.
Yeah, we are. Yes. Watch the car, don't fucking bump it. You're lucky, mate. I have grip tape. This burns my foot. Which one knows the way to Super Value?
Stand there.
Do you, no, show us. Go, come on now. Go, 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 go.
It's just this way.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. How fast does that go?
I got like 57.
You go 6, that's good. I go 70 on this somehow.
That's a GT Max. I want to get a kid soon or something.
True. I do not need to get touched. Like, I do not need to get like ran over by fucking undercover now.
Yeah, I already got around by guys. I got the scooter back.
What?
I got the scooter. I got up before. There was like there was 3 Garden vans on me.
Oh yeah. Did they box you in?
They rammed me. Oh, they just fucking
They rammed you.
They rammed me in.
Do they ram now? Is it like in the UK? What the fuck?
Yeah. Well, I don't know, because I was in grab.
That's an undercover right there. That's a fucking undercover.
And everyone's in the cars. I don't like you. I won't lie to you. I'm the same.
Wait, wait.
Left as well.
Let the fella pass.
I'll
The American flag. Wait, left. Who's that in front of us? Who's that in front of us?
Back for 1 second.
What?
Next second. Bro, I looked back for 1 second. Next second, you're dead.
Is that torque? Wait, can I see the torque on that? Because this is barely. Wait, 3, 2, 1, no.
Like, it's around the same.
Oh, yeah. That's way better because they don't have PO7 or wait, what PO? Is it PO4? I don't even know. They removed half of the settings off this. And do you know the acceleration setting on that? Like the PO4 or 5, I think.
Yeah.
That, see the way yours is on 5? Mine's on 4, and that's why I'm like slower.
Oh.
And they added overspin, like in when you go, do you know, when you like, I forgot the word, like make it only go 25.
Yeah.
That goes 27. On that, it would only go 25 because they added overspin.
Go high. Go to
Oh shit. Let the people pass, let them pass, let them pass. Wait, stop, let them pass, stop. Let them pass. Welcome. And watch the cars behind you. On your left. Right. Let him pass, go. Move up. Stay on the side so the cars can pass us. Stay on the side so the cars can pass us.
Yeah.
Which way is it back? Is it up ahead? Oh, just around the roundabout, yeah. No, we went because there was, my mate told me there was somebody on the phone and like calling to someone. I don't need the guards calling on me. Do you know?
Yeah,
sure. What?
I'm pretty sure we have right away. We have right away.
They know the way back, so we're good. They know the way back, so we're good. I'm looking at all the black Audis because they're most likely to be undercover.
Or Skodas.
Oh, Skoda, yeah.
Yeah, wait here for everything.
Yeah. Oh shit.
You just wait here.
What? Yeah, let's go under a tree or something. Yeah, go jumps because there's like we can go under trees. What? No, there's no point to be honest. Just go straight ahead.
I do not recommend going back to the bikers.
Go back to the where?
They're so polluted.
We lost half the
I'm not putting these goggles on. I can't see shit with these on.
Are you trying to dip into like a tree? Like,
No, do you know where the jumps are? Beside Forey Glen, beside the... Still. No, they're all the way back. Some of them left because they don't have batteries on their like scooter. Oh my god, what the fuck is this? Wait, go up there, go up here. Once the rain gets... What? What? Whoa, what?
this is insane, lads.
You didn't know about this? Yes? Ah, fuck.
Go that way. Go from this way. Go from the way over there, man.
Which way?
Well, we could go from this way.
Hit the jump.
What?
I say we drive slower because most people aren't keeping up.
Yeah, most people aren't keeping up, so we go like 20.
Yeah, go around 20.
My bars are also wasted badly. Look.
Yeah,
And everyone's getting
Hey,
hurt.
you hit the jump.
yeah.
Okay, let's go.
David, you hit the jump.
No, I'm gonna fucking kill go. You're hitting the jumps.
I'll try.
Don't hit them. My fucking brake, like what's it called? My suspension broke. Oh, fuck.
So, what the fuck are we doing?
I can try to do a bunny hop over these. Oh, fuck! Oh, man!
These jumps are in shambles.
Bro, what the fuck happened to these jumps?
Damn.
What happened to these poor jumps?
Everyone's rolling over and clapping the jump.
Cause he did it first. If he's cheating, I'm doing him worse.